Ang ating planeta ay home sa diverse ecosystem, each playing a crucial role, Miranda, in maintaining the balance of nature. Pero sa papalaki at papalaking epekto ng global warming, our planet today is in peril. Rising temperatures and extreme weather events, Miranda, are causing catastrophic change and damage to our environment. Human activities such as burning fossil fuels contributing to the acceleration of global warming. Pero there is hope, Miranda. People around the world are taking action to combat climate change and protect our planet's future.
Kaya ako pumunta dito kasi again, this is already a community that I feel I belong to. We may not be trading the same set of assets heavily every so often, but at the end of the day, we are traders eh. So kung ano yung nakikita natin na signs na binibigay ng market, I think we will benefit from each other's insights.
And what made you attend our tree planting activity?
I'm a plantito. I'm into farming as well.
I am Mentor Mike. Ako ay isang mentor ng GMMG.
So bakit ka nandito today? Anong meron?
Ayun, kaya ako nandito para gusto ko mag-participate dito sa tree planting ng GMMG once a year.
Bakit importante mag-tree planting sa mga crypto trader?
Kasi siyempre, ang crypto trader hindi lang dapat puro trade, dapat meron ka ring time para sa social life. Para kasi kasama na rin itong pagtatanim ng halaman. Kasi nga, bilang crypto trader, napapagod din tayo and kailangan din nating lumabas ng trading zone natin. And ito yung way para maipakita na hindi lang tayo trader, tumutulong din tayo sa mundo.
Hi guys, I'm Jella. I'm a college student as well as a trader. As a trader kasi, I need to be accountable regarding sa nakoconsume kong energy as well as sa carbon footprint na naiiwan ko every time I trade. I decided to participate and to contribute na rin sa environment.
What's your message to our Mirandas about today's activity? Tree planting, let the earth breathe again, no?
So I think everyone, I believe, is doing very, very well. I think everyone continues to be very focused on what they're doing. So keep it up, and I really, really appreciate that everyone comes here to support this initiative. Because at the end of the day, we have to reduce the carbon footprint. We have to ensure that our environment continues to improve for the future of our children and their succeeding generations.
And thank you for all being here.
Culture of Malasaki. I love you 3000 Miranda.
Thank you First MetroSec for the shirt and the cup.
Thank you Phoenix for the shirt and the cup.
Hey Miranda, maraming salamat po sa Culture of Malasaki, and for all the volunteers who are all here today, maraming salamat for our tree planting activity this 2023 here in Silang Cavite. Maraming salamat. Let's go!